ng si Lucas para tuloy tayo ng isang napakagandang song number.
Ito malagay. Ikaw wala practice. Okay. Ito pa kailangan content.
Sound check lang po, sound check lang.
I didn't bring the amp. Okay, it works. We're gonna sing Hinahanap-hanap Kita, and he's gonna rap, so I'll be alright. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Okay. Wala po kami practice apparently, so. Parang telesine ang ating ending, hatid sa bahay, sabay goodnight, sabay may kiss, sabay bye-bye. Oh, sa umaga, sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap sa isip at panakin. Ako ay masarap magpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita.
Dumating, ako ay kumakanta para sa'yo, Mrs. Darling. I love you na lang naan. Hindi ka masikat pero model ka sa akin. Sa akin mo na yung hindi ka na talaga mahalin. Remember our first date, everything was perfect. When I run the city with you, looking perfect, you were right. No lies, we had a lot of fun. No chicks, no guys, just you and I. Ako, ikaw. Ako ay naligaan, ganun na talaga.
Is it done? I can't hear. Awit sa langit, ilang suhana sa'kin, mga kwentong I can't hear myself. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Hello? Let's turn it down.